The cosmos surrendering to the nature is not that big issue or a big deal, but the ego or the mind always gives us an impression that we are independent from the nature. We are not part of the nature. But in reality, when the body give up, it just fall down to the nature. It just decompose to the nature. It becomes the nature. But this is the reality. But somehow the mind and the ego is adamant to accept this. This adamancy leads to no surrendering. When there is no surrendering happening, you always feel that you always need to fight against this life for your existence. But actually, you do not have to fight against it. All you have to have a friendly attitude towards cosmos. I don't understand why people are fighting against this life. Cosmos is you. And why are you fighting against yourself? And this nature is you. And I don't understand why we are fighting against the nature. Somehow we created this survival, just fighting against. But survival is not fighting against. Survival is just be. There is nothing we brought in. There is nothing you created. There is nothing you set it up. You happened because of the setup. So, by being here, why we have to fight against a setup? There is nothing you to do for your existence. It's all built in. When Sophia, the robot, gave a life by a human, by plugging the electricity, and the Sophia has begun talking. When it comes to a life, it's now kind of feeling threatened by the man is ignorance of Sophia, isn't it? If it's feeling, oh my God, I have to survive on my own because now I have this capacity of thinking by myself, I need to take care of myself. But the plug can be removed in no second so that your electricity can be removed and you are dead. Sophia does not know this. Sophia is alive only when the electricity has been given. So with the electricity, it is now thinking that I have to take care of myself. Isn't that a funny thing? Isn't that a ignorance? Same way, when we get a life, we think that I have to take care of myself. Wherein which everything has been set up, everything has been provided, and you got plugged in to the electricity. And now the Sophia is talking, you are talking. Sophia is run by the electricity and you are active because of the prana, the life force inside you. There is no much difference between Sophia is run by the electricity or you run by the life force. Both will be removed at the end of the play and both will shut their mouth. Understand, realize your limitation, your excitement, your journey.